In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files from Google Drive, allowing them to be viewed, commented on, or edited based on your preferences. Let's dive into this easy and essential process that enhances collaboration and secures your shared files effectively. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure that you're signed into the correct Google account where your files are stored. If you're using a shared or public computer, don't forget to verify that you're logged into your own account for security and privacy. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a look at your files and locate the one you intend to share. This could be any document, spreadsheet, presentation, or other file types you've uploaded to Google Drive. Simply scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top of the page if you have a lot of files and need to quickly find the right one. After identifying the file you want to share, click on it to select it. You will know it's selected when it's highlighted in a bolder shade. At the top right corner of your screen, or perhaps right next to the file name, you will find a small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. This is the share icon. Clicking this icon will open up the sharing settings for that file, allowing you to specify who can access it and what permissions they should have. In the window that appears, look for the section where you can add people or groups. Here, you'll type in the email addresses of the individuals you wish to share your file with. Make sure you enter each email correctly to avoid sending access to unintended recipients. Once you've entered the email addresses, it's time to assign the right permissions. By default, Google Drive allows you to grant three types of access: viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewers can only view the content without making changes, while commenters can add comments but not directly edit the original content. Editors, on the other hand, have full access to modify the document. Take a moment to consider the level of involvement you want each recipient to have. This is crucial for keeping control of your document and ensuring only trusted collaborators can make significant changes. After setting the desired permissions, you're almost done. Just hit the send button to finalize the sharing process. At this point, the recipients will receive an email notification with a direct link to the file along with the permissions you've assigned. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a file from Google Drive with customized access that meets your specifications. This straightforward process helps maintain the integrity and privacy of your documents while promoting collaborative efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and happy sharing.